Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to close Venetian blinds. Whether you're new to using them or just need a quick refresher, this guide will make it easy. Understanding Venetian blinds. Venetian blinds are those horizontal slatted blinds you often see in homes and offices. They're great because you can adjust the slats to control how much light comes in and how much privacy you have. Some blinds have a cord on the right side, while others have a wand on the left. Step 1. Closing with the cord. Let's start with the cord. If your blinds have a cord, it's usually on the right side. To close the blinds, gently pull the cord down towards you. This will tilt the slats downward, gradually closing the blinds. Pull the cord smoothly to make sure the slats close evenly. Step 2. Closing with the wand. Now, if your blinds have a wand, it's typically on the left side. To close the blinds with the wand, hold it and twist it gently clockwise. This will also tilt the slats downward, closing the blinds. Adjust how much you twist the wand to control how much light and privacy you want. Step 3. Adjusting for light control. Once the blinds are closed, you can fine-tune them to let in just the right amount of light. To let in more light, tilt the slats slightly upward. To reduce light or increase privacy, tilt them downward. Play around with it until you find the perfect angle. Tips for easy closing. Smooth movements. Whether using the cord or wand, always move them gently to avoid damaging the blinds. Keep them clean. Regularly dust or wipe your blinds to keep them looking good and working well. Closing Venetian blinds is simple once you know these tips. Whether you're using the cord or the wand, it's all about gently adjusting the slats to get the light and privacy you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your blinds closed.